At the same time, when talking about pesticides and transition to sustainable pest management, it's also very clear that digitalization and AI uh, enabled systems are rapidly transforming agriculture. And what this means is, for example, no, that we have a lot of technologies that basically are allowing georeferencing, location, so pretty much standard GPS and so on. And we have a lot of diagnostic tools. And diagnostic tools, with that I mean sensors, a huge variety of sensors, whether this is on a tractor, on a handheld device, on your smartphone, in space as a satellite. But we measure tons of things. And this is going to be cheaper, better, and much more broadly applied in the future. So we have a lot of data, and agriculture actually collects so much data already that this is really a valuable asset. However, kind of like to make use of this is actually the next step. So without with that information alone, location and having sensors alone, you don't win a lot. But the big steps are made when you go to a next level, where, for example, you use applicative tools. What I understand is a combination of all this information that you collect to basically make better management decisions. For example, in terms of precision agriculture, that you apply pesticides only there where they are needed. In the next step, there is also increasingly an observation that processes, machinery, or entire farming system are automatized or even autonomized, as for example with an autonomous robot. And then on the right-hand side, I want to highlight that most, or like a very big and important part of the digital advances that agriculture is actually seeing in the moment is not something that you can see on the field as a robot, as a tractor, but actually is all the things that happen in the back, whether this is related to facilitated and improved communication, digital twins, and so on. So this is the big setup where we see transformation of agriculture to be more digital globally, as all our societies are undergoing very quickly that development. Agriculture is doing that too. And this also has a lot of opportunities for the plant protection of the future, in my view.